everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a question on number patterns. Well, the first 4 terms of a sequence are given as such: 2, 5, 8, 11. Straight away, please notice that we always add 3. And once I know that, I will be able to get my next 2 terms. Because I just need to add 3, this will give me 14. I add 3 again, 17. So that will be the answer for part A. Part B is to find an expression for the nth term. And this one, there's actually a formula that you guys, my viewers, may be interested to remember. For this nth term, this expression can actually use this formula: A plus D times n minus 1. So what is this A and this D? This A is actually what we call the first term. So in this case, right, 2 will be my A, because that's the first number, the first term of this sequence. And what is the D? Well, D is what we call the common difference. That's the word we use. So in this case, it simply means what number are we actually adding or subtracting for consecutive terms. Well, we always add 3 to the previous term. So this is actually my common difference. And because I know this formula, right, it becomes pretty straightforward. Next thing, of course, is to simplify this term. Okay, then I will have 2 plus 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So final answer, I will have 3n. 2 minus 3 will give me negative 1. 3n minus 1. Okay, with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.